Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we will discuss about Metaverse, the virtual reality of Facebook. We will discuss all fact and figures about Metaverse and also discuss about what is the advantages and disadvantages of Metaverse. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, recently a news has been pop up that is Facebook changes its name to Meta. So let's discuss about it. On October 29, social media gained Facebook. The company will rebrand itself to represent the fact that is now a metaverse company. Speaking at the Facebook Connect conference, Chief Executive Mark Zuckerberg said that the company will now be called as Meta. Zuckerberg said that the move is to emphasize the fact that the company is focused on building product for the future metaverse. From now on, we were going to metaverse first, not Facebook first, said Zuckerberg. So there is a question rise, what is the metaverse? So everyone want to know about it. It's a term that many are using to describe the future evolution of the internet in which the flat apps and website we use today are gradually replaced by 3D environment and shared spaces, making interaction more immersive in the process. So Metaverse is a virtual reality program in which we do everything like playing games or transaction of money, connect with the peoples who is not around you, so you can contact anywhere in the world through this virtual reality. Facebook stock closed up at 1.5% after CEO Mark Zuckerberg outlined ambitions of building the metaverse, a successor to the mobile internet where users interact playing games and shop in always on virtual worlds. The company recently announced that it will invest $50 million over the next 2 years into research and partnership, and that it aims to hire 100,000 people across Europe in the next 5 years to aid with the effort. The company isn't the first big tech firm to rebrand as a part of the new approach to computing either. Like Google and Facebook, Apple dropped computers from its name in 2007 and Starbucks dropped coffee from its name in 2011. Google switched to Alphabet in 2015, signaling the company desire to expand beyond internet search and advertising. Google itself was once known as Backrub. Instagram started out as Bourbon and the Twitter told it along with Twitter before the E made it a household name. After all this, a man tweeted and said, wait, so the same company that has been robbing us of our privacy, destroying our mental health, spreading misinformation like wildfire, proliferating a new type of addiction, stealing intellectual property, and inciting violence and hate speech, is building a digital world where we all work, play, credit, socialize, shop, and essentially live. And many of the people like his tweet and also comment on this tweet. On the behalf of this tweet, another person tweeted on this and said that our apps and their brands are not changing. Our mission remains the same, but we have a new vision. And now a name that reflected called Meta. Do you believe the metaverse is the new frontier? Well, Facebook has officially changed its name to Meta, so it's look like they are all in and is a part of the rebrand and strategic outlook it want to portray. Below are some quotes from Mark Zuckerberg and his statement and keynote yesterday. We believe the metaverse will be the successor in the mobile internet. Today we have seen a social media company, but in our DNA, we are a company that build technology to connect people, and the metaverse is the next frontier, just like a social networking was when it got started. The metaverse will reach a billion people, host hundreds of billions of dollars of digital commerce, and support jobs for million creators and developers. Meta will spend about $10 billion over the next year developing the tech required for building the metaverse and looking to make more long-term investment as it sees. This year 10 to 15 year in January, the company announced its plan to break out its Facebook Reality Labs into its own reporting segment starting from fourth quarter. As the announcement discussed the immersive digital experience effort such as the virtual and augmented reality tech in a new online reclaim. The new potential transaction on digital commerce, creative advertisement, opportunity creators in the ecosystem, and more. So the overall result of this changing in the name of Facebook to Meta, the company name announcing at the Meta, the Facebook company new name. Meta is helping to build the Meta universe, a place where we will play and connect to 3D. Welcome to the next chapter of social connection. And that's all for my video, and I'm ending my video here. So thanks for watching my video and take care.